The joint session of the state legislature witnessed a striking display as members of the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party donned saffron shawls and enthusiastically chanted Jai Shri Ram before and after the address by State Governor Saffron Shawls. The scene unfolded during the commencement of the budget session under the leadership of new BJP opposition leader AR Asoke. Members of the BJP, in a collective show of solidarity, arrived at the assembly draped in saffron shawls, a visual representation that caught the attention of observers. The spirited atmosphere was further heightened as the lawmakers resonated with the chanting of Jai Shri Ram, creating a unique spectacle within the legislative setting. While it remains unclear whether this display was a pre-planned decision or an impromptu action by some members, it added an element of vibrancy to the proceedings. Chief Minister Sidara is slated to present the budget for the fiscal year 24 and 25 on February 16th, further intensifying the anticipation and fervor surrounding the legislative proceedings.